Bawal mag-ano kasi. Susuklayin muna kita. Ano pa nga naman ni Clover? Uy, bagong ligo. Hmm? Sit down! Ay, nako. Ay, okay, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Clover, uno. Sabi ng sit down. Ay, gusto mo maghiga.
Ate, Mama, what happened?
Clover is bagong. Ito. Kasi kailangan natin suklayin si Clover para hindi magbuhol-buhol yung hair niya. Clover.
Good job, Maymay.
Oh, thank you. Good job daw ako, huh? Sit down na, sit down na. Sige na, please. Please, Clover, sit down ka na. Ayaw man mag-sit down. Gusto mo nakahiga lang? Sabi na, sit down. Sige na, please. Clover, sit down. Clover, please, sit down.